This was my old snowmobile. It was in storage for 26 years. It needed a lot of work. First, remove the cab and patch with fiberglass. All the gas lines were rotten. The curb flange was split. The gas tank grommets were shot. The engine was seized. The heads were taken off and the engine was unseized. Removed the curb and cleaned the jets. Reassembled the engine. Replaced the bottom board under the seat. Removed skis and painted jet black. Reinstalled both skis. Complete new gas lines. Seat replaced and secured. Base painted black. Engine reinstalled. Secured in place. Gas primer fixed. New curb flange all hooked up. Ready to go. The old Skidoo hasn't been started in 26 years. This is going to be the first time trying it. It's all set to go. Here we go. Like new. Thanks for watching.